Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a clean surface and an anchor point so the lamination goes on smoothly. Wipe the sticker and substrate with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. This removes oils that trap bubbles. Once dry, align the sticker using a ruler and low-tack tape to set reference points. Peel back about 1–2 inches of the release liner to create a small exposed edge. This gives you control. Hold that anchor and position it carefully before you commit the rest. Once anchored, you apply the laminate by peeling and smoothing in controlled passes so adhesives bond evenly. Hold the laminate taut and use a squeegee at about a 45-degree angle. Press firmly and move outward in 6 to 12-inch passes to push air and excess adhesive away from the center. Make sure to overlap passes slightly to avoid ridges. If a speck of dust shows up, stop, lift the nearest corner gently, and use small tape to pick the particle before continuing. Finish by trimming the excess laminate and sealing the edges so the application lasts. Use a sharp blade and a metal ruler to trim snugly. Cut slowly to avoid lifting the sticker. Once trimmed, warm edges briefly with a hair dryer to relax the film and press down to seal. Moderate heat helps adhesion. If small bubbles remain, push them toward the nearest edge with the squeegee. For stubborn micro bubbles, prick with a fine needle, then smooth and re-squeegee to remove trapped air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.